We are Mous. Famed for extreme tech protection.
Ready?
And this is equity for mouse makers. For the first time ever, we're giving you the chance to shape the future of Mous, own shares in our company, and become part of our global community of mouse makers.
We've seen firsthand the power of community. Back in 2016, we had the world's largest phone case crowdfunding campaign in Indiegogo's history. Since then, using the power of our community, we've grown our customer base to over 1 million.
Here's what makes Mous different. We operate D2C, direct to consumer, because retailers and distributors in our categories take a huge margin. We save this money and reinvest the extra margin into product and engineering. We've estimated we've spent £3.3 million on R&D in the past 5 years. This is how we make our products demonstrably and provably better.
We've got 3 exciting initiatives we want to share with you. People are using their phones in new and more extreme ways, from the streets to the skies, for finding their way or losing themselves. Our brand new patent-pending mechanically connected technology allows exactly that. Introducing Intralock. Connecting our newest case to a range of secure accessories, we believe Intralock can enable creators to take their content to the next level, which is what we've always done, racking up views on YouTube. Now we plan to build a global community of mouse creators, shooting the most extreme content imaginable on their phones.
This is our 5th generation of magnetic phone cases. Our Intralock ecosystem is completely MagSafe compatible. Constructed with 38 perfectly positioned magnets, we've taken everything we've learned to ensure completely uninterrupted signal, use of compass, and no misalignment or false connection with wireless chargers. The magnets ensure the charging cords are perfectly aligned, so the electromagnetic connection guarantees a high-speed, perfect charge every time.
Secondly, we've expanded our product range into new categories like MacBook sleeves, iPad cases, wireless chargers, Apple Watch straps, AirPod cases, and AirTag cases. In 2022, we hope to explode into the $15 billion backpack market. We're using everything we know about protecting larger devices like MacBooks and iPads in the design. It will feature high-impact materials like aerofoam and be water and dirt resistant. Protection, Mous style.
And lastly, the Mous Partner Program. Our newest products can be integrated into the lifestyles of content creators and athletes. Starting with bikers, we've begun to partner with renowned athletes, including Danny McCaskill and Greg Bernard.
It's Danny McCaskill here. I'm really stoked to be announcing that I'm going to be partnering up with Mous.
I'm really excited to be joining this innovative team.
Field leaders and world champions, our partners are helping build our community of dedicated users, creating content and taking our product testing to the next level.
Oh, it's still working!
You don't need to be a world champion to become a mouse maker and help shape the future of our brand. This is where you come in.
In exchange for your investment, not only will you get shares in our company, you'll have early product access, feed into future products, and access exclusive mouse maker discounts.
Your investment will help us drive forward our sustainability plan, accelerate our growth online, improve our entire D2C experience, and allow us to keep innovating and creating the best products possible.
Our mission is to become the household name in tech accessories. Become a mouse maker today and join our global community.